Alright guys, you're looking at a custom fitted double cap set. This is 925 solid sterling silver with the diamond cuts, as you can see there. Very nice. Your backside has a connecting back bar bridge. Alright, snaps right on the teeth there. Beautiful, real 925 silver custom fitted cap set. Check that out. Move over to the light so you can see a little of a sparkle there. There it is, guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.